The traditional notion of men always making the first move is evolving, with many women preferring men to take charge in the romantic realm. If you're eager for that first kiss, consider setting the scene by practicing good hygiene and creating an intimate atmosphere. Engaging in new activities together can heighten your connection, and finding a quiet moment away from the crowd can alleviate the pressure of public displays of affection. Use light, physical touches to break the barrier and build intimacy, while maintaining eye contact to signal your interest. Flirting directly can be effective, and playful interactions like lighthearted playfighting can enhance attraction. If you're feeling nervous, sharing that vulnerability can help both of you feel more comfortable. Ultimately, being straightforward and expressing your desire for a kiss may be the best approach if subtle hints don't get the message across. Enjoy the journey of getting to know each other without rushing the process.